In this video, we will show how to disassemble and how to assemble this epsilon extruder. First of all, here three screws will be there. We have to unscrew them by using Allen key which provided in the packet. Okay, I am unscrewing this one. Screwing the stud. Remove this one and place aside. Now remove this top cover carefully, very slowly. Keep it aside. And this is one lever. You have to remove all this one. Now one more screw will be there inside this bracket. We have to remove that one also. Now I removed all the components of that extruder. This is the empty motor. I'll remove this pulley also. Now I removed all the components from the motor. Now again I am assembling all the components. Assume I am assembling the new components. First of all, take the metal bracket exactly 90 degrees to the connection port. Now take the main bracket and place it on this one, and place one screw inside and place it, connect it to motor. Now screw it. I am tightening the screw. Ensure that the holes will be matched to the motor. See here. I am fully tightening. Now matched. Now take the pulley, place it all the way inside, and take the small Allen key, and this is the guide way for the tightening the pulley here from bottom side. Now take the pulley and just lift it up and place the Allen key like this in this guide way. Now tighten the pulley like this. Two screws will be there. Just tight. After that, take one big gear and place it here. After placing the big gear, take the lever and place to the motor shaft. Now take the spring and the screw, place the spring inside and insert the screw exactly position here like this one. Now take these two components at the top. First place this plastic one. This is guide way for the Borden tube, and the metal one. Push all the way inside. See, there is no gap between metal one and plastic one. After that, only one final thing is closing them by using top cover. Now exactly this groove is provided for bearing, this one for screw. It will show that arrow should be upper side. Now I am pressing. It should be closed all the way from outside. 3 screws will be provided in this packet. In that, take one small length screw and place it extreme left and tight with Allen key, and place other 2 screws also. I tighten the 3 screws. After tighten them, insert this boarding tube holder at the top. Tight it fully. There is no gap between metal part and the holder, and adjust the screw. Should be free play between this big gear and this lever, like this. The assembly of extruder is completed. Now you can place it on epsilon.